to another video. Today we are doing a cake off.
Cake off? We're not doing a cake off. We're just building a cake.
Cupcake.
We're building
off.
cupcakes. And we're going to use this product called Baketivity by Baketivity. And it's a kit, right? Like they give you kind of everything you need, which is good for dads because dads aren't really, well, this dad isn't very good at cooking.
So let's get right into it.
Okay, so we got our steps here.
Yeah.
We washed our hands. You put the paper cups in the pan. The oven is preheating. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is break an egg into... You want to break the egg?
I want to break an egg.
Okay. If you hadn't noticed, like there's a Baketivity, what do you call this? Apron. There we go. Daddy's heart skipped there. And then, but he didn't want to wear the hat, so I'm wearing the hat.
Yeah, because
my hair's messed up. Okay, so do you know how to do this?
Yeah, you break the egg like...
Well, you can't just throw it in there because the shells will get in there, right? So, it is fair to say that Daddy is not a cooking person. Hang on. And so, okay, so now just spread it apart. So Daddy doesn't really cook. Okay, so things are going well. We exploded the egg into the bowl. I think we're going to try that again. So here, you just wash your little hands off. Why don't you let Dad take care of this part? Right? So Daddy's going to go wash the bowl out. The egg exploded, so as predicted.
I'm so sorry, Daddy.
Yeah. Well, that's what's post-editing. It's called post-editing.
I can't believe I did.
Yeah, so,
It like exploded on my hand.
It did. So we're gonna try. So the way I've seen it done on. Okay, well we're gonna go with this one, and that looks pretty good. I think there's a little shell in there.
Yeah, don't mind that.
Yeah, don't mind that.
We're bad chefs.
We're not.
But we're good at making spaghetti, right? Right? Yeah.
Well, that's about the only thing that Dad can make is spaghetti.
And burgers.
Cats are freaking out. So I'm gonna get this little piece of shell out of here. You know what? I don't think about it. It's fine. Here, give me this thing. Give me this thing. You got your hands all cleaned off?
Yeah.
Okay. Step 3 is done. Step 4 is add a 1/3 cup of oil into here.
That?
And so we got that. So why don't you pour that in there? Okay.
All of it?
We're using olive oil, not vegetable oil, because my wife Jennifer said that that's supposed to be better for you. I don't know. And then let's see. And then you want a 1/2 cup of milk.
I want to pour it.
You want to pour it in? Okay, I'll pour it into here. That's going to take some skill there.
Yeah.
All right. So now pick it up and pour it into there.
What if I spill it?
No, don't spill it. There you go. Look at that.
I watched.
Okay, and then it says, beat the mixture again.
I don't look like.
Okay. It says it again, beat the mixture again, but you didn't beat it the first time, so there's no first beat. So I'm not sure what's happening here. But you can see we got everything kind of laid out, so we tried to get pretty organized. Although I did forget. Forget paper towels, so let me go get that.
Can you imagine if you're watching this?
Again, you should realize that we really don't know what we're doing. All I know is I'm following the instructions and trying not to...
So, Trinity and Madison, give this a huge thumbs up.
What? What? Trinity and Madison, give them a thumbs up? Yeah, he wanted to do the Trinity-Madison divider thing, and
but it didn't work out.
It didn't work out.
It didn't, yeah.
Didn't work out. All right, you gotta, dude. You gotta like that. Like you gotta get kind of violent with it.
Like this?
A little violent. Yeah.
This?
A little violence. Yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So now, just keep that. Just let that chill in there, so we don't make a huge mess. All right, it says pour the sugar and vanilla sugar together. Okay, so I'm gonna cut them. You're gonna pour them. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have everything kind of laid out. This kit has everything. It's all portioned. Hopefully.
Here's all of it. I always shake this.
The instructions don't say to measure it, so I'm assuming it means pour all of it. And it says, look, it says shake before use. So that's why I'm shaking it. So pour that all in there. And then it says put the vanilla sugar in there.
Yeah.
You just
We're just
toss that over there.
Yeah. So we're seeing if our mom poured it.
Yeah.
Poured it here. To see if who made the best cake. Dad, you're on the white team. I'm on the blue team. Okay, Dad?
Mm-hmm. Okay, start mixing that all up with the thing. The beater thing.
This looks yummy, guys. Comment down below if you want to eat mine or my dad's.
Probably right.
Yeah.
This is Ryker. I'm Jake, by the way. Or AKA Dad. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, now it says...
He works for Microsoft.
Don't tell people that.
Okay.
It's a secret. It's not that it's bad, it's just a secret. So here's what's interesting. Like, look, I would have missed this because I'm not very good at following directions. But look, notice it has a red bowl here and a green bowl here. And it says, in a separate bowl, the flour, salt, and baking powder. Mix them together. So here's the...
Oopsie daisy.
No, we're good. We're still on track here. So here's the baking powder.
So, then a little bit violet with it?
Now, the thing I don't see is, I don't see any salt. Do you see salt?
I think we already used this salt.
But no, we didn't use the salt.
Should we just get our salt?
Yeah, but the problem is I don't know how much salt to put in there.
Like, a little bit.
This is there we go.
Dad, let's have a little bit of salt. Guys, if you want to comment down below if you want to come to our house.
If you want to come to our house,
Yeah.
you're going to have random people come to our house?
Yeah.
I think it's a great idea.
Then just come
There's
to
nothing
our
that can go
house.
wrong with that.
We
Absolutely.
might have a friend over. Like, yeah. And we might still have a YouTube channel with him. So.
Everything's going well. So we're
Yeah.
gonna...
But except the starting. Yeah, that would be.
Well, we both broke the egg into the bowl, so
But
these might be some crunchy stuff. Let's see.
Yes. But at least you tried to get it out.
We tried.
Good.
We did
I
try.
put it in there. I'm gonna put it in there.
Don't pour it in here. Let's just put this to the side so we don't accidentally mess it all up. Here, let me open this a little more. And then while you do that, while you pour that in there, I'm going to go get the salt.
All of it?
Yeah, pour it all in there.
Dad, I can't believe we're making this. Should I stir it up?
Not yet. So we're going to use kosher salt. I'm going to kind of just guess because it doesn't really say.
Can I pour it?
Yeah, throw it in.
Help me.
No, Dad's going to guess. Okay. There's the dog trying to get in. That's as much salt as I'm going to put
Yeah,
in there.
that dog name is Chewy.
Okay.
Yeah, you see that in the latest video after this.
Okay, now it says mix them together. So we don't... Okay, let me get like a... Here, you know what? I'll tell you what, we're going to improvise here. We
Hold
got
on.
the blender, so use this. Okay, the oven's preheated, so we got all this going. This is the things Dad's not very good at, is like all this going on at the same time. Dad gets a little stressed out, right?
So, after this day, we'll show you Chewy. Like,
Yeah, we'll have a Chewy video, because right now he's standing up on the door. He wants to come in.
yeah, and we'll have a trampoline video.
We can do a trampoline video. We'll do all that. This is kind of our first official VR video. Everything will be in VR, right?
Yeah,
I think that's cool.
and on TV. Right?
Yeah, I think that's fantastic too. Okay, so
And
now...
on the
Okay, now it
computer.
says... okay, now it says that we are going to pour the green bowl into the red bowl. So the red bowl in ours is where we put the...
That's your Red Bull?
Wait, time out. Yeah. This is the red bowl, this is the green bowl, and it says, as you pour, mix it. Okay? Yeah, so just kind of ease it on in there, Ryker. As you can tell, I have control issues here, because I'm like telling him to do stuff, but then I'm just... Oh, that's not mixing. I'm sorry. Daddy. Daddy's not paying attention. He's paying attention to talking to the camera and not really helping the kid out. All right, so let's see here.
You did it on accident. It's fine.
Oh, is it cool?
Yeah, it's
I
fine.
appreciate that.
It's fine.
Okay. So it is turning into like a dough-like structure.
And after this, we'll do a cake, which is over there. Yeah, after this, done making the cupcakes, then we'll make a cake.
We'll make a cake? Okay.
Then
So this
we can
is...
show you Chewy if you want. Just comment down below.
So I think we're gonna use we're gonna use that machine over there. I think that's called a blender. No, not a blender. It's a beater.
Beater? What's
Yeah.
a beater?
It's like this. So it's this thing. I've seen it done on TV. So it's like this thing.
This is going to be really loud,
It's gonna be a little loud. Yeah, I apologize for that. But I think we're gonna take this thing
Put it in the sink.
and put it. I'll stick it right on the counter because that's how we roll. All right, we're gonna do low, and then where's the trigger? How does this work? The power boost? Eject? No, we don't want to eject. Okay, we'll just do that, and then we're just gonna.
It's not that loud, guys.
It's not that loud. So you see how it's.
Does it smell good?
No, I think that's your breath. Or it's my breath. One of our breaths stinks. But look, it's doing a lot better. Like, see that?
It's BB-8. But this stuff, yeah, as you know, we're making a BB-8 cake. Which is BB-8 Cupcake. It's nobody's birthday. Yeah, nobody's birthday.
Okay, so I think that's good. It looks pretty good. So then you kind of, I've seen it done. Shake it off. Yeah. Okay, then we're just gonna put that. Hey, there's gonna be some cleanup. All right, so then it says to pour it into a cup. So I didn't get the cup, but I will get the cup.
Yeah, it's okay, guys. I'll just wait here for you guys.
Just wait there. You're doing just fine. All right, I found a cup.
Yeah, measuring cup, guys. You do this.
You do this. Okay, so you're supposed to pour.
Dad, you're right.
Oh, my hat's hitting me in the face. I'm sorry.
That is tickles. It tickles.
So it says to pour. Now, the thing I don't understand is, I'm not even gonna say it because then I might have to start all over. I don't know. I'll start all over. All right, let's take this and just kind of.
Yeah, that's what Trinity and Madison did.
Yeah.
The dad did it.
The dad did that. That dad's way more skilled in this matter than I am.
Yeah, he's a good dad. Yeah, he is. Yeah. I wonder what white over there. Maybe we'll do a video on that, but with no food coloring because I'm a mess on Christmas.
I think the Wonder Lab should come with something that says this will make a massive mess.
But we cleaned it up.
We did. We cleaned it up. We were good.
It was my fault. On accident. I did it on
Alright, so
accident.
now you pour it until it's 3/4 full. So you pour it into each one of these until it's 3/4 full. So that's about up to here, okay? So pour that into there. I'm going to get like a little spatula to help get this crap. Oh. Okay, well, this spatula clearly will not work. It,
Dad, where did you
there.
say?
Just put there to trick us. I'm looking for a
Dad, where did he say?
3/4, dude. Whoa, that's good. Yeah. Let's. Oh no, now move it to the next one. There you go. That'll teach me to walk off while my son's pouring a batter-like substance.
Yeah, don't do that.
That's a little thick.
Don't do that at home if you don't have
Okay,
a parent.
that's good. That's good. Okay. Then next one. So see how we should scoot this over so they can see this in the camera.
my hand.
I'm crushing your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, you like a
Yeah. Tell me when it's sound. Can you shout for my hand? This is hard.
Okay.
Whoa!
And then the next one.
I'll have my dad do this part because you saw me do it.
I'm mean?
No. I said I'll let my dad do this part.
Okay, let's move this over so that people can actually see what we're doing.
Yeah, right
Because
here.
that is the
I can see.
small error in our VR.
And when we're going to let my mom taste this. Then we'll do that. Then we'll go on the trampoline and jump for a little if you want to come with us. Jump on the trampoline. It's really cool, guys. You should see it.
We might be here all day with this, the way this is going.
No, we won't.
Let's get, can you go get me a spoon out of there?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, dude.
You guys, basically, Dad, can I take the camera with me?
No, it's best not to move VR because it makes people motion sick.
But Dad, how would we get it until, like, on the trampoline? We could watch it, like, on the trampoline.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be bouncing up and down with the camera. That would definitely make people motion sick. Yeah. Especially with VR is one of those things where VR stands for virtual reality. Virtual reality.
Oh, guys, comment down below if you want to see me play VR.
I think that you should definitely do that because I think that's awesome. Never mind the warning labels that say that you should be 12. Just play it. Just ignore that.
Yeah, because I was 5 when I played.
Yeah, don't tell if you. Yeah, it's not good. That's probably somebody calling Child Protective Services on me about now. Like, he subjected his child's eyes. I'm trying to get our money's worth out of this little kit here.
Yeah, we're poor.
Who brought this? No, dude, you're just gonna. This is like a reveal all. Is that what? This is a tell all series. Okay, so this is good.
No fun blue cupcakes.
Okay.
So.
You think we ought to like clean up the stuff that got on the pan?
No.
Okay. I'm thinking like what I'm afraid of is that it might burn. So we don't need these cups. We can save these cups for part 2.
Cake.
In
Part
case
2
this is
cake.
a disaster. So let me get it like a napkin and then or paper towel and we'll.
I'm a good chef because I'm good at making spaghetti.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna try to clean up as much as I can around here. Now there's oil in this, so it's a little difficult.
So guys, Dad, tell me the instructions.
All right, yeah. Tell me how long. Okay, so we're gonna take this. We're gonna put it in the oven. How long we put it in there? 20 to 25 minutes. So
Yes.
what I like to do is you can cook it longer, but you can't uncook burn stuff, right? So
Yeah, guys. So.
and so what are you gonna tell that lady over there? What can you say? For the timer. Who can we use for the timer?
12 hours later.
Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Starting now.
All right. So.
Alexa's a little bit bad, guys, because when we say Alexa, she does it. See, I said Alexa, and she did not do it.
Okay, so we're gonna pause the video while this cooks. So we'll be right back.